Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and this amazing video. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how you can create a newsletter in canva.com. So those who are new to my channel, do subscribe, share videos with your friends and family, and let's start the topic without wasting any more time. So first of all, you need to open your Chrome. Once you've opened that, you need to type canva.com. I just typed in and pressed enter and it's just opening up, and here you can see that you have got a search box and a templates option. So I recommend you going in templates, and now you can find a newsletter in marketing. Come in the marketing section here and there is option of newsletter. You can open this up from here. Also you can go here in the search box and write in there. Okay, so let's just open anywhere, and it's opening. I just clicked onto this and now it's opened newsletter templates. So here you have got templates that you can change. Okay, so understand what template basically is. Template is something that you can change completely. You can customize that according to your needs. If you have to add your text, you can add there. If you have to add your pictures, you can add there. You can change it completely. You can change colors, anything. I will show you that live. Okay, so now the thing that has to be understood here is that some templates are paid and some are free. Okay, so see, when I hover over my mouse here onto this, the issue one, it says paid and a dollar sign is here. But when I hover over to the second one, it says free. So make sure that you are going with something that is free, because we don't want to pay them. Okay, we actually don't need to pay. We have a lot of free options, good ones, and we don't need to pay them. So that's why I recommend you people going with the free ones. You can see like more are free, less are paid. Okay, so start going with the free ones in the start. If you have more work, so you can pay as well. Okay, or if you like some template very much and that is in paid category, you can pay for that. Okay, there is no problem like this. Okay, so let's just randomly choose something. Okay, so let's open up this. I just clicked onto this one, and now option comes use this template. Click onto this. Okay, so I just clicked and here the template is opened. Okay, so I have got a template here and a similar template option is also here. Like this is 2 page. Okay, so this is the first page and this is the second page from this. Okay, so you can add pages. Like here there are 2 pages, you can see. Okay, so this is a newsletter template. It is with 2 pages. You can add third one as well, add page. Okay, you can add this way, no problem. There is nothing big issue here. Okay, so now let me show you how you can completely edit this. So first of all, you need to zoom in because we cannot read things from here. Okay, so press Ctrl and plus sign from your keyboard. So I'm just doing it, and here it's zoomed in. So start editing from the top. Okay, so now you can change the background color, this text, this everything that you see in this, you can change that completely. Okay, so let me just show you by changing color first. Okay, so click onto this and here you see you have got an option of background color. Click onto this and change the color, like okay, so light gray. This is for just showing you free template. Okay, how you can customize yours according to your needs. Okay, so this is how you can change color. And now the text, you can simply write something or remove something if you want. Whatever you are making for, you can type in that. Okay, the common mistakes, for example, we are writing on mistakes. Common people make the common mistakes, so we are typing those mistakes in this. Okay, so here we can change the date, let's make it now 2021 and not November this is March. Okay, so March 2021 volume, let's make it 1. Okay, so now you can also change the fonts if you want. Okay, let me just show you. You can select all, and here option is fonts, and from here you can change any font. And okay, so here as well there are some premium which you need to pay for, and there are some free. So try using the free ones. If you are willing to pay, you can go ahead and pay them. Okay, so let's just make it simple. Okay, so I just clicked onto this and it's being loading. Let it just change first. I will show you other things as well in this template. Okay, so it's just loading. Okay, so it's done. You can see that I have changed the font in front of you, and here there is option that you can increase the font size, you can decrease the font size, you can make it bold or not. This is completely on you. If you need bold, you can go with this. And this is tilted and this is not tilted, this is now straight one. Okay, so you can make it a latex, the tilted one. Okay, and also you can change the colors. Okay, so just change to this one. Okay, so I've changed to red, and this doesn't look nice, so let's make it black again. Okay, so and if you want to do undo for your something you have edited and you want to go for undo, you can press Ctrl and Z from your keyboard like this way. Okay, so let me just make it black again. Okay, so it's done. And now you can also change these lines. You can stretch them, you can do anything from them this way, like you can crop it out and other things. Okay, you can also change its color. Click onto this line and now come in the color section, make it this. Okay, so you can see that I have changed the color. So you can change according to your needs the monthly newsletter of BKS clothing company. Okay, so this is how you can do these things. You can also change this image if you want. If you want, I can show you right now. Okay, so just click onto this image, and now the image has been selected. You can move the image, crop it out if you want this way, and you can delete it as well. I press the delete button from my keyboard and it's been deleted. Now I can add anything that I want. I can also upload, I can add from photos, like there are free photos available, a lot of free photos. Okay, you can choose, you can type in the type of picture you want, you can get that from here. There are free ones as you can see in the screen. Okay, you can also upload yours if you want to add them. Okay, so let me just add something. Click onto this and this game. I can fix that in. If I don't want to do like this, I can drag and drop here as well. Okay, so I just dragged into the box and it's been fixed. Okay, so now you can edit this text, this background color, you can edit anything that you want. Okay, so you can do the same thing onto the second page as well. Okay, so I hope you have understood so far, and now just let me edit this text and show you a bit. Okay, you can increase their size, you can type in things like, you can add a paragraph if you want, you can erase this completely and add your text, like in this video you will learn how to make a newsletter. Okay, so let's go with this newsletter. Okay, so you can add anything that you want. You can change here, you can change fonts, colors, everything, and make a very beautiful newsletter for yourself. Okay, you can do the same thing. And the last thing is how to download this. Okay, so click onto this download button, the download icon here, you can see, and now you get the options. You can download in the form of PNG images as well, and you can go with the PDF. So I highly recommend you going with the PDF format, either with the standard or with the print. Print is a good one, you should go with this one. Okay, so click onto this. Now it's done, 2 pages, or if you want you can do 1 page as well, but you can go with 2 pages as well. Okay, so done with both pages. Click download and it's being downloading. You can see that we have successfully created a newsletter. This is just an ad, just close it and it's being downloaded. So click onto this for opening and you can see I have successfully opened my newsletter. So this was really simple, there was nothing big. Okay, so this is how you can create amazing designs only in Canva for yourself. Okay, so Canva is really helpful. I hope you have understood this and you liked my video. Okay, so if you do, share this video with your friends and family and leave a comment in the comment section if you have any problem. Thank you very much for watching.